Honeygain is a platform that allows users to earn money by sharing their unused internet bandwidth, and it is generally considered legitimate. The core concept is sound, with Honeygain utilizing shared bandwidth for legitimate purposes such as web intelligence and market research. User experiences as seen on Trustpilot, Reddit, and Quora confirm that the platform does pay out, albeit in small amounts. It is crucial to approach Honeygain with realistic expectations. It is not a high income opportunity, but rather a source of passive income. Earnings are directly tied to the amount of bandwidth shared and are influenced by factors like internet speed and location. While Honeygain emphasizes user privacy, individuals should still carefully review the privacy policy before participating. Essentially, Honeygain offers a legitimate way to generate minimal income with little effort, but it should not be viewed as a significant financial resource.